Hey guys, this is Devin with Backyard Projects, and today I'm going to show you how to plant your gardenia or anything that's tall in a pot. Because I don't know about you guys, but mine, every time I try to do this, it falls over and it's so annoying and it's a big headache and it's just a pain in the butt. So I'm going to show you today how I put them in there so they don't fall over. Alright, so for my first one, what I like to do is, and I've already cut it, is I put 2 sticks and I drill them into the side of the bamboo like that. So let's do that real quick. And whenever you're drilling bamboo, you have to pre-drill your holes, because if not, if you don't pre-drill your holes, bamboo will just crack on you. Alright, so what I am doing is I'm going to go ahead and put the other hole in on the other side, because I'm going to have one going this way and one going that way. So I'm going to go ahead and put that other hole, because it's easier to do it this way than it is to do it while that's already attached. So that's where that hole is. I'm going to go a little bit below. There we go. Now, I'm always losing screws, all the time. So right now I have it right in the middle, but I don't want to do that because I want the plant to go in the middle. So I'm going to move it over just a tad bit, like that. So I have that one. Now I need to go and put in this other one. Perfect. Alright, so now that it's nice and sturdy, just like that. Alright, so this is what I did. So I put one here, and it's nice and tight. Here, here, and here. That one's a little loose, but I'm going to fill the bottom up with rocks, just to kind of give me more support, because the plant is going to set about here and up. So like this is crazy sturdy, and when I add the rocks, it'll make it that much stronger. Alright, so I also added the rocks because I needed some weight in this thing, because it is going to be top heavy and I don't want it to blow over. This thing has blown over so many times, I can't even count. Alright, so let's go ahead and add dirt and we'll get the plant planted. Alright, so here is more dirt, and I'm going to go ahead and pack it in there because I need this stuff not to move, because it's so annoying. You make your pot all nice and pretty and then the wind blows and it knocks it all over. So I am kind of going a little crazy with it. Well, if y'all have tall plants, y'all understand. Then the gardenias don't do well going back and forth. I just seen a bee pass me. It's already that time of the year. Love it! Alright, so here's my gardenia plant. We're going to take it out of the pot. Just like that. I'm going to loosen up this root ball. I ended up getting these at Lowe's for like 50% off, which is awesome. I love Lowe's for doing that. You know, instead of just throwing away plants, Home Depot is bad about that. Alright, so I need it to be So I realized that that looked probably pretty brutal, but I promise it wasn't. That is perfect. Alright, so right now I need to go and get some more tape because this one's kind of cutting it off anyway. So let me go get some more tape. So I couldn't find any of the tape, and I don't want to take it off of this tape because it is kind of cutting into the branches until I can get the other one, because I don't want it to flop over. Alright, can you tell that I've had to go through that whole flopping over a lot? It's a pain in the butt. Alright, so I just have these little clips attached to it. And I do have the tape somewhere, but my backyard is a mess right now because it's planting season. So I'm just gonna put the 3 there, just like that. Alright, and my finger, I worked in the yard all day yesterday, and so my fingers are just nubbed. So I'm just gonna kind of scratch the sides up a little bit. Not too crazy. Yeah, and then I just fill it up. So I know that you're probably wondering why I have it so much higher. Well, for one, I didn't have much room because of my stocking, but 2, because I'm gonna plant this whole thing just full of flowers, and so it's gotta raise it up anyway, and I don't want it to be lower and hold too much water. So that's why I did it like this. So when I fill it up with my plants, it has more statuesque, but I call it, and yeah, I think it'll look great. So I have one more to do, and then I'll put them in place. Okay, so I am back. I almost forgot to record this. So this is what the planters look like in their right spot. Ready? Ooh. So I have one here. My camera is crooked. And I have one here. Anyway, though, we're gonna put some annuals in it and have some flowing over and probably some sweet potato vine, and it'll look amazing. But anyway, it's the end of a very long day. Been planting for the last 3 days. Like, it's ridiculous. But anyway, alright. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.